So for week 9 this year, I was with Jesse and Mel again, and we were working on the outdoor courtyard. It was a little bit of a tricky space because it was open at the top, but really high walls all the way around with the glass doors entering into the living space. So we weren't able to put anything above us. Everything needed to be on the walls. So the walls for the main highlighted effect was using these green wall tiles. So they're tiny little mosaic tiles with a green wall pattern on it. So we really wanted to highlight that and create a bit of indirect lighting to the space that felt warm and soft and ambient and relaxing. Using these unique up-down wall lights, they created this sort of V-like beam up and down that we were able to position strategically up and down the wall where the light beams matched up with one another to create a really nice sort of embossed diamond pattern the whole way up the wall. So not only did it highlight the actual green wall itself and provide a bit of ambient lighting to the area, but it also created its own feature by itself as well. When it comes to lighting an outdoor area, the main things that we want to look at is the ambience of the space, making sure that it is comfortable, relaxing and inviting, especially here in Australia. You know, we all love our outdoor spaces during the summer. We want it to, feel comfortable because we do spend a lot of time out there. It's important to make sure that it's also a safe environment, to make sure that the fittings are IP rated, low voltage and installed correctly, and also to provide some safety perimeter lighting with like deck lights and step lights and things like that, so nobody falls over and hurts themselves as well.